Today, I'll show you how to expand all tasks in Microsoft Project when your view is grouped and some of your tasks look like they're missing. This will be a quick, focused walkthrough so you can immediately find and see everything you're working on. Let's start with what's actually happening on your screen. If you've grouped your tasks by something like bucket, assigned to, or progress, Microsoft Project will organize them into sections. Each of those sections has a group header, and underneath that header are all the tasks that belong to that bucket, person, or status. When these groups are collapsed, it can look like your tasks have disappeared or like there are far fewer tasks than you remember creating. And you might just see the group titles along with a count of how many tasks are inside, but no individual tasks listed. That's your cue that the groups are collapsed and need to be expanded. To expand a group, look at the left side of the group header. You'll see a small arrow icon, usually pointing to the right. It looks like a greater than symbol. This is the control that hides or shows the tasks inside that group. To reveal the tasks, simply click that small arrow. As soon as you do, the arrow will rotate downward and all the tasks within that group will drop into view underneath the header. If you have multiple groups in your view, you'll need to repeat this for each one. So click the arrow on the first group, watch the tasks appear, then move down to the next group header and click its arrow as well. Continue doing this until every group you care about is expanded and all of your tasks are visible. It's important to understand that in the web version of Microsoft Project and Planner, there isn't a single button that automatically expands every group at once. Right now, there's no universal expand all option that you can click to open everything in one step. That means anytime your tasks are grouped and you want to see them all, you'll need to manually click that arrow next to each group header. Because of that limitation, it helps to build a quick habit. Anytime you change the grouping, scan down the left side of the screen and look for those right pointing arrows on the group headers. If you see them, just work your way down and click each one in turn until they all point downward and every section is open. If your list still looks shorter than expected, double check that you're on the right view and that filters aren't hiding tasks. But usually when tasks seem to be missing in a grouped view, it's just that the groups are collapsed. So to recap in simple terms, when tasks are grouped and appear collapsed, locate the group header, find the small arrow icon beside it, and click that arrow to expand the group. Do this for each grouped section you want to open, keeping in mind there's no single expand all button available in the web version yet. With that, you now know exactly how to expand all your Microsoft Project tasks when you're using grouped views.